X-Cube i9 Manual Guide. Section 1. User 1 and User 2 are customizable buttons, and assigned functions are displayed on the screen. Angle knob has different function in each mode. In 2D or color mode, rotate to adjust the angle steer. In CW or PW mode, rotate to adjust the Doppler angle correct. In body pattern mode, rotate to adjust the transducer angle. In arrow mode, rotate to adjust the arrow angle. Baseline, adjust the baseline. Scale, allow to adjust the velocity scale. Exit, returns previous screen. And there are clear text toggle. Arrow body markers toggle. Select knob is used to select the options in the left column of the monitor. Section 2. The trackball zone are the most frequently used keys. To the left and right of the trackball, there is a cursor and set keys. Arched over the trackball are 3 keys: generic calipers, update, and measure. In a second arch over the trackball are the keys for activating X-speed, color flow, power Doppler, pulsed wave Doppler, continuous wave Doppler, and motion mode. A key with a snowflake symbol is the freeze key. Above freeze is the 2D button. When in any other scan mode, the pressing of this 2D key will reset the system to 2D. Above 2D is zoom. Section 3. User 3 and User 4 are customizable buttons. Depth toggle. Focus is a toggle with a central button. The center button allows you to change the number of focal zones being used. The toggle with the graphics is single or dual screen layout. P1 and P2 are customizable print keys.